Toyota Highlander AC not working? Here's the top fixes. Repairing a Toyota Highlander's automatic climate control often involves fixing broken internal ribbon cables, especially for unresponsive knobs, requiring dashboard disassembly to access the unit, soldering new wires or cables, and reassembly. If you're not comfortable with soldering, professional repair services can rebuild your original unit, which is often better than replacing it with a potentially problematic used one. Common problem: unresponsive knobs, especially temperature. The most frequent issue is a broken ribbon cable or solder joint connecting the temperature fan knobs to the control board, causing them to stop working. DIY repair steps: for ribbon cable issues, carefully pry off the trim panel around the radio and climate control unit using a trim removal tool or old credit card. Remove the mounting screws, often 10 mm, holding the radio and climate control unit. Pull the units out and disconnect electrical plugs and antenna. Unscrew the back panel of the climate control unit to access the circuit board, being careful with ribbon cables. Identify and fix the break. Locate the broken wire on the ribbon cable, often near the center temperature switch. Desolder the broken wires, strip the ribbon cable ends, and carefully resolder them to the switch's connection points. Reassembly. Reattach knobs, the back panel, and the main unit. Test before fully reassembling the dash. When to seek professional help: if uncomfortable with soldering electronics, the process requires precision. Other failures: other components can fail, and specialists can diagnose and fix these. Avoid buying used. Used units often have the same flaws. Repair is best.